Welcome back, YouTube fam. Okay, so I know you guys request this video. You guys on TikTok keep saying that you want more of Gracie. Let me see if this is recording. Oh yeah, it was. You guys keep saying that you want more of Gracie. Well, Gracie is my friend. I know Gracie maybe for about 20 years, but we weren't friends like that. We know each other, but we wasn't friends until like 2015, 14, 15. Yeah, so that would be like, no, it's 2023. So 14, 15 would be like about 7, 8 years. Now we are really good friends. So we know each other a long time. That, yeah. So anyways, Gracie is at work. So I am going to call her, and this is how Gracie would answer my phone when I call her. So she don't know so me I call her. She don't know so me I record, sorry. She don't know so me I go call her. She don't know say me I go record her. So let's call Gracie, cause me I go pick her bud today. Put it on speaker right away.
What you want? What you want?
Gracie, I saw when
What
somebody
you want?
Gracie, I saw when somebody call you, you have to answer your phone so all the
When
time.
are you? When are you? What you want?
You is a little brat.
Mm-hmm.
How comes you there over here the whole day yesterday?
Because I'm my yard and I can't be over here one day and you don't know.
Me see you
You
can't.
see me I go start park my car somewhere else. Me I go start park my car somewhere else.
Imagine me say, let me see if it day I go done and you don't come over here.
So and it done and me not come and me dey home today again. All day and it I done again.
So how you not carry no breakfast gonna give me today?
I will make carry breakfast come give you and take liberty on me.
You is a little brat.
Yeah.
There is a little brat. Where you cook over there?
Carry breakfast come go now. Me not have no food, me not cook no food.
Me hungry, Gracie.
You can't hungry in the home.
What you mean me can't hungry and me there want me just wake up?
That is your good luck.
Jesus.
That is your good luck.
Me hungry, can I get some food please?
Nope. This can't share. A pound of rice me cook.
Somebody can cook pound of rice?
Me cook pound of rice.
So are you alone you cook for?
Yep.
So you don't care about me no more?
Nope.
Wow.
Me cook pound of rice and little ackee and saltfish. That's it.
Gracie, me want some because I have food.
It
But
cannot share.
me have food.
That you don't understand.
Me have food, but you know me tired of my own and already. Me cook often. So me tired of my own and so can you please
My one come give you, come. We give you my one, but you have to give me food.
me have what you say?
You say you don't want none of the rice. You say I am and banana and dumpling your man. What me put some fat acid? She lie down in there and she said, no, rice, the rice not for podcast. She don't use to cook Jasmine taste good rice. She cause said she don't want it to eat and me don't know she a come. Let me take a minute, please.
Oh, okay, so you go for your little bickle before because me ask you bickle.
You're right now.
So you know when Gracie cheer it out, give me your run gone in the kitchen but you're gone for food. What she say?
Say she hear me a cuss by or something. And I said me a cuss her over. You ready?
Oh my God. So Gracie, when we are going to do the video, the people them might ask you the video.
Me now come make no video over there. Every time I come over there, I see myself. So,
Oh, yeah.
I come over there.
You know, come on. That's why you don't come over here. So
That's why me not come. That's why me not come because I can't bother with them. As me come here, can't thing up camera and me not know where they are.
so.
But I don't know where they. I know my mouth not have no filter.
But you know, the people them might ask you the video and me tell you to come and we do a video. And you run from the camera. What do you saw?
When you have over there with me can't eat because you don't believe me. When you check this morning, I said, Because they don't sell the rice in the house.
Really?
But me still cook when I see here.
I have food. I
I
have chicken. A chicken I have. I have chicken. I have jerk chicken and I have fried chicken. Yeah, no bright yourself. Me not cook big old chicken. Me have some chicken with me the one brown stew in a but season up already. I'm the one just brown stew it, but me just not too long get up out of bed and me tired. She gone over. So she gone do something. She said she gone do something, so me not know. Call her, man.
She said to call her. Hey, me not been a middle man. Me start giving me message next week. I can't talk so much stuff.
Hello, keep your ass quiet. You're too much. You're too much.
I bake food in my Sunday before you go cook something. I'll go hot up where you have to eat.
Yeah, I'm tired of my own hand, you know. I cook so much, I'm tired of my own hand. And you have this feisty self, like I say, oh, I'm not cook on my hand. I cook on my hand, I cook through the way, I cook every day. Almost every day I cook.
Wait, don't hang up. Don't hang up.
Alright guys, wanna listen to that? I'm gonna call her back because she tell me say, I think at Dexter that she say, Massacre did a come at Jersey and she want me and her to go. I'm gonna call her back and ask her about it. Girl, we ain't up your phone for.
No, them a video for me to show me something. I work, man, and about my brains.
Oh. And when you said Dexter that did I go come again?
After October, I must be gone.
You is a puppy show.
You me never catch a date.
Me know you tell me say Dexter that did I go.
On the same I come to Jersey and show we one call and say I go to the boss now. Me never hear going more fire about it.
Watch so you did that talk about me and you got Dexter that. Me and you got Dexter that and you I think you did say this year, sometime this year.
Supposed to go already.
Poor you, me know so me can't make plans with you for go now because first of all, you are full. You go pan roast early. You do nothing. Anyways, more the little bickle.
The bickle can't share. Go cook. You can put your bed and go cook.
Oh, Jesus.
So you want to live in America and call and bake food?
Why not?
Ready, I call the wrong individual.
Hey! No, sir!
You call the wrong individual.
You're the only person I call in America and bake food. Because you know me not eat for anybody. So.
Well, go cook. Alright, me I tell you now, go cook.
Me no call and beg nobody food like that. So you know bright yourself.
Yeah,
but if I saw me want to live in America, if you're going to make fridge right now, the amount of food we're in there. Me just tired of me one hand. Me want somebody to cook. Me tired of my own hand and me just want something different. And me could have go buy something to eat, but me just don't want that either.
Oh, you don't want to spend your money?
I don't say me don't want to spend my money. If me can spend my money and buy some gear and you cook it for me, just tired of my own hand.
Me will work 7 days a week. Who you talk to?
You. Then you know you're my friend. And
yeah, but not for come cook, not for come buy your food give me and I go to go turn up. When they want I'm ring up one little city, make and then they come here.
Yes.
That's it.
Yes,
and you say thank God and eat it.
Yes, a little brat. So what kind of friend you be? You think say if you the car so
the one where you now go buy your grocery there and tell me to cook it. That friend.
my God, I can't
What kind
bother.
of friend may be? The one where you're not going to buy your grocery and give the cook.
Oh my God. You gotta tell me now, say,
What the full area come from?
you can't get a little food to cook for me.
I don't know where that.
If food done for you?
Yeah, me don't cook for two. As you call me and share, me I go share. So me say me will give you my one car. Honestly, me couldn't come out of the house going on. Yeah, I go nowhere go buy nothing.
So I want to know you cook?
Eh?
How much now you cook?
One when me did have two and me did use the two of them and me did ending up that breakfast with one and left one and
So I want to get in Aki you expect to share for some somebody?
that's why me tell you say no never there for you.
Keep your dirty food. Keep your dirty food over there. I don't want none. First of all, you cook one tin of Aki and 1 pound of rice and you expect that to share for almost somebody. That I just see me alone. When me I cook Aki in my yard, at 3-4 tin of Aki me cook.
Well, me never have 3 and 14 because me have a population to feed like you. So if me cook one or me cook two, that sometimes I cook two is all too much.
And me over here, so?
But me not give you none. Because when you cook, you cook 16 and yet.
No, some about Jesus. Me want some food. But me don't want my own hand. So me I try to think now where me I go eat. Max if you carry me go somewhere nice and fancy.
So you're not going to make fancy place game?
Me if you make a game?
Make fancy place. If you know a market, you want to go somewhere fancy, you don't make it.
Me can't make it. Me need a nice restaurant where me can go sit down and have a nice meal.
They not go on?
But me don't know no way.
Watch out there. They know that. That's why you have to go make it place. So you know it, that you want to make it.
But me don't want the food that me make right now. Me tired of my own and... Oh, just to make me repeat myself, sure. You cook your food for me?
No, sir. Me do 2 shift tomorrow. Me can't. Me right now, me glad me done already and me are going on my bed for that. You say you don't want none, right?
At 2 o'clock now.
You send me that go carry my one come give you and you give me back some food.
At 2 o'clock now, 2 p.m.
I'm going to my bed.
And you are going to your bed?
Yep. That's why I get up and do what I do early because I'm bed.
Not even 4, no garden bed, so.
Well, that a full business. Me I go early.
Jesus, peace, you're boring so to me, no, brother. When boring is that give you get a whole light.
Bored.com, that's me.
Come over here, make we do the video.
I know video you want to say.
That what?
I don't know video.
Gracie, you're boring, man. Jesus, peace. Put your backside over here.
Video with your husband this morning.
No.
That's boring.
You see it?
Oh, then me not have the eye, then me not must see it.
Yo! No, sir.
You see it like me not have the eye.
Mm-mm. Yeah, me put up one video with me and him on ring this morning. So me cut off me hair.
Yeah, I like the color.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Some weird color they go on my funeral.
Alright. Me hair stay low, yeah, man. Me can't bother. Just make it turn so you know. Till me get fed up again. Anyway, me just say make me call you because you're there at your yard all day yesterday and today you don't come over here, you don't
Oh, you
call.
know me there, you see the car?
Me not look out from morning to see if the car out there. But me know say it out there all day yesterday. And me say make me watch and see if that little brat not call or come over here.
What do you do today?
Nothing.
Go laundry, come back.
Oh, you got laundry?
I know say you that cook, so boil one pot of soup and that's it.
You know me would I drink some soup? Yeah, I'm gonna drink some soup.
Little bit less, but you know want that.
No, I don't play up and no leftover nothing.
No, young boy, you're nasty, dirty business.
Keep your dirty overnight soup.
Ring clock up. Just pick me there, you have to play up in a no.
You better drink some soup. What kind of soup you cook?
No, there, play up.
What kind of soup you cook?
I said, girl, I'm gonna make your soup.
No, tell me no.
I said, go and go make your soup.
No, I make it. But me no want to make it. But me wanna drink some for true.
So go and go make it and drink it.
Me want some. A chicken foot and what?
No chicken foot.
And what?
Beef neck.
Beef neck? Where you get that?
Shop right.
Beef neck, me never hear nothing go so yet.
Shop to the right.
I got.
Just like how you have soup bone.
Yeah, you know what the soup bone.
Yep.
Oh God, but of course can I chicken foot here.
You don't make some soup with it then.
Yeah, but me not have the energy you know. I go right back in the bed, go lay down. Tired. Body mash up, me just do a piece.
That's all let me say, man. Me tell you about you. That's all you're good for.
Then I must. You come with
That style.
you come with the age.
Catch you before it's done.
You come with your age, you have to do it when
My age older than yours, I need to tell me so.
You're lucky. You tell me what?
What kind of age I age? You look for blame. You're nasty living.
You tell me what they say? Me can't
I
breathe.
you look fake over with it.
You tell me say me can't breathe.
And that's why I want so now. Because every time you could get pregnant, you know, go on so. That's why you have to go on so now.
Then you know must. Me I catch up. Me I play catch up.
Go along, man. Continue to catch up.
Me I chop and catch. Yo! My body. Anyway, I want some soup.
Don't go and go make it.
Carry come. Carry the soup you have over there.
I'm carrying nothing come.
Carry man.
You say you don't want it. I'm not carrying anything, okay?
Alright, now carry your dirty soup. Keep your dirty soup.
And you say you don't want the against selfish guy, so you can't get the whole thing for yourself, right?
Anything me get, me take it now as long as the food and your cookie.
Okay, then come back, come down a bed.
Alright, fall. Just hang up your phone, so, and nothing else. This is it. Guys, so, I actually get Gracie on the phone. She don't know, so me that record her. But, she give me consent to record her, like, if we are talk on the phone or anything like that. Because she's shy and she don't really like they're on the camera. But that is how me and Gracie is. And she don't pick up, say me I record her. She don't pick up. But she say if me and her talk on the phone, as long as I know nothing personal, me can record her because that's how she, you know. She talk to me like that. Me talk to her like that. So hope you enjoy the video. We are real Jamaicans. You know, hashtag real patois Jamaicans. Yeah. Some of my video them, I have people reach out to me and say them they don't understand what me I say. Guys, I'm sorry about that, but sometimes through me grew up in a country bush, me used to it and I just saw it come out. You know? If I speak proper English consistent, it take a lot. Me have to go back to school. Yeah, I want to go back to school this year. So I can keep educating myself more. So I find myself sign up in our college this year. Bachelor. Bless up on a nice for yourself. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend for tell a friend. Love you guys. Peace.